Probably on a combine over there then. Let's see, we combine all this. Getting. We're gonna start combining. Compared to the case. Where it's tougher. Well guys, it's 8:30 going on 9 o'clock. I just got some groceries here. I was a little far behind. I got a text message. I thought I smelled something burning in my car, but I just got to look in here. Let me get the what do you call it? The light here. Look at that radiator hose. Why is that all white like that and bulged? That looks like it's gonna blow up. But that smells funny. It don't smell like antifreeze. It smells like burnt rubber. And it's not heating, but you can see like bubbles, like it's bulging out, like it's gonna blow up. And this hose connected down there isn't that way. So let me know in the comments below if you think that this Toyota hose is defective, that radiator hose. It goes into the motor in the block there. It's all white. I don't know. I just got back and it smells like not burning belt rubber, you know, like the belt. You know, I checked the belt. That's fine. It smells like over here. This thing stinks. That not this part, but that. I don't know. It don't smell like the antifreeze is full. See? So I don't know what the deal is. I just smelt it here. When I came into town from the farm, I didn't smell it. But when I took off at the grocery store and came home, I smelt something burning like belts. Like I thought, well, maybe it's a CVT, you know, but it's not that. I wasn't slipping, so not sure why it's doing that. I'll leave that open tonight, and tomorrow I'll remember, so I have to check the oil. I love checking the oil because this is a expensive car. It's like got 8,000 miles on it. I've been putting miles on this baby. My Chevy Avalanche, I'm gonna put 10W40 oil and some Lucas oil in there, and somebody told me you have to do that to calm the lifters down, and when they get high miles they start to do that. So I'm gonna do that, try that, but I don't know if I should do that in the winter time. Let me know, because it gets like below freezing sometimes when I run it. I don't know if I should. I wonder if I should just use 5W30 oil, because it would be hard cranking that starter. Do 5W20 or 30, whatever weight it is, and use synthetic oil, high miles, and then use a little bit of that Lucas stuff or whatever. So, or seafoam it, whatever. But I'm just gonna let you guys know, update on the car. It's just odd. I don't know why it would do that, but Never done that before. My house is under here, so let's see if my house burns down tonight. Alright, I didn't get to film much of the combine because I gotta run it tomorrow, so holding this big camera gets you nowhere. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that short video. I'm gonna post this tonight. I'm gonna get my food ready. I'm gonna take a shower, and I'm gonna render this and upload it to YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh my goodness. You see that, guys? Still there. I'm mad. Not acceptable. Who's my cameraman? No, it's me.